Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a split screen. Firstly, go on settings, and then go on general, and then go a bit down, and there's keyboard, there, there. Click on it, and then it'll come up this, and then you put split keyboard, turn it on, okay? You turn it not off, on. Then click on the home screen. You're back. Now let's go to Google. Then once you're here, click on this, keep it clicked, and then it will come up split or undock. So split comes up like that. Okay? Now if you want to take it out, keep it on and put merge, it comes up and it stays up there. We can keep on clicking it, put dock, I'll come up like that. So I want it split, so I just go like that. So I've got it split. Thank you very much for watching.